If you have an extra time and a smartphone and you're looking for a way to start a side hustle which can make you money, then I have a good news for you, because today I'm going to be showing you these two apps that you can use to make money with your smartphone. Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Tosin. I do create videos like this to show you how to make money online. So if you haven't, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also click that notification bell button, so each time when I create new video content like this, you will get update. There's this two app I want to show you. You can make extra cash with this app and it is totally free. The first step I'm going to show you to earn money online is this app here. You earn money for receiving text messages. So this text message you receive, if you like, you can read it. If you like, you don't read it. Okay, they won't spam you. All what you just do is you receive a text message and you will earn money for it. So far you receive the text message. How to make this work for you is very simple. First of all, you need to install this app on your smartphone, and it's only work for Android. It is very secure. It's extremely safe for you to use. Your personal data is handled according to strict privacy rules. Okay, so you don't have anything to worry here, guys. So these are some of the users reviews. As you see here, there are many reviews. Mostly they are 5-star reviews for this app, for people who are already using this app worldwide. KC wrote, "I love this app. You literally do nothing and earn money. Like I said to you guys, you only receive text message and you're ready to earn money with this app. If you think you don't want to receive any messages from them, you just disable this app and you won't receive any help. It's so easy as that, guys. This text they're going to send you, if you like, you can read it, and if you don't like, you can also leave it like that and don't read it. What you can still do is you can even also delete it after receiving this message. It will still count that you've received the message, and it counts that you're going to earn money with that. Okay, this is how you earn money. You receive a text message and you earn money on this app. When you sign up for this app, you're going to receive a welcome bonus. Okay, and after that you will receive an amount for each text message they send to your phone. There may be incentive from time to time, like a bonus for referring more people. This is also a way to earn money on this platform, guys. You can also refer this app to more people and you earn even more cash with that. The name of this app is called MC Money. Okay, you go to mcmoneyapp.com and you can download this app, or you go to your Google Play Store and write MC Money and download this app and sign up to start receiving text message so you can earn money on this app. Let's go now to the second platform. So now I'm on the second platform. This platform is very easy. You can make money doing tasks. First of all, before I go on this app, make sure you give this video a like. I will really appreciate it, because it helps the YouTube algorithm to show this video to many more out there who want to earn free extra cash online. So the second app is easy. You earn money doing little tasks, but mind you, and listen carefully, you can download this app and work with your smartphone, but there are obviously some other tasks that you can do on your smartphone, but some other tasks you can do it with your smartphone. How it works is very easy. You sign up, and after that they will show you how you can earn money. You're going to get satisfied in all sort of tax category, and after then this will make you to unlock different categories in which you can do tax and earn money with that. The money you earn here, you can get paid weekly with PayPal. So these are some of the tasks that you can do here on this app. Here is a car image. Your task will be that you are going to draw lines around the car. Okay, the different type of tasks you can do here, many type of tasks you can do. This is also an example. You can identify keywords that describe what's in an image or text. Okay, like this here, it's a code. You can tell them it's a code, tell them what the code is made of, what material is it made of, and what color has the code, and etc. And the other ones here is, for example, we're going to draw a bounding boxes around various objects to help determine what where. Okay, so these are the simple tasks that you do to earn money on this app. And you can see here there are many people using this app worldwide and having testimonial with this app. Okay, there are many of them here, guys, like this here. I am Daniel. I'm working on this app for about 3 months. Back then I had a hard time earning money from other side, but since I started this app, changes my life, and I can buy food and make for my daughter and have my own time and be my own boss on my work. You don't need to invest to start any money with this app. Okay, it is literally free worldwide. This is why I recommend it to you guys. You don't pay any money for it. It is free. So the name of this app is called remotax.com. You can go to Google and go search for it, remotax.com, and sign up. Okay, you see the sign up button here, and sign up for it and start earning money with this app, guys. If you know you like what you see, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and press notification bell button, so next time when I create new videos like this, you will be notified. Okay, make sure you check out my #1 recommendation in the description, guys. Check out the other videos on the screen. It's video on other ways that I'm show you how to make money online. So make sure you watch that, guy, and I will see you there. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Peace.